Hi, my name is Brian Olitsky, and I would love to tell you about my new VHF E4 mill. I just got this a couple months ago from Tristan at Evolve Dental, and I couldn't be more thrilled with my purchase. This is the coolest thing I have in my office now. It makes the nicest ceramic units that I've seen, bar none. It is fast, and it works right into my digital workflow. As you can see, it's actually smaller than my Pro 55S. About 2 years ago, I jumped on the exocad revolution, and I started training with Diana Tadros at exocad Elite, and also got training through Evolve Dental, and have been incorporating as much as I could, everything I could, exocad into my practice, and maximizing my use out of my SprintRay wasn't enough. So I talked to Tristan, and he told me this E4 was the way to go, and it's super economical, and it makes the nicest crowns I've seen come out of a mill. So if you're thinking about pulling the trigger, the E4 is awesome. If you haven't started using exocad, what are you waiting for? If you're scanning, you got to jump on exocad. If you're not printing, you got to start printing. But if you're thinking about milling, get it. You'll love it. Give Tristan a call. He'll hook you up. Believe me, he's the greatest resource. Evolve is awesome. Good luck.